And Lewis Brinson with a high fly ball, deep left field. That is long gone. A bit. Brinson, runner goes.
And Brinson unloads one to deep left field. Back goes McNeil and watches this one sail out of here. Off the face.
He said, Bernie, yeah, he's moved.
Line. We got some.
This one.
And Brinson back in the first. Lastly, by pitch. Cuts in.
On the mound as Brinson takes it the other way.
The pitch swung on and stroked towards the left center, and that is going to be a diving catch by the left fielder, Lewis Brinson. Wow. So now a pitch is hit in the air to right that struck well. Back on the ball is Wall at the fence. He leaps and just misses it. It is gone.
He is pulled. That's a base hit to left field. Fillet sprinting around first. He might try for two. Up with it is Brinson. He is going to try for two. One hop throw, head first slide. He's out. It.
As Soto hits one high in the air, right center field. Brinson near the wall, leaps, and he makes the catch. Lewis Brinson makes an unbelievable. Well, when else would they score their runs?
I know.
It's out to right. Brinson long run, sliding and makes the catch.
He is consistently 97, 98 right now.
And a sliding catch for Lewis Brinson. That'll get